Hi everyone! Today you'll hear how Jake's neighbor complained when Jake made too much noise trying to build a table.
The instructions were in Swedish or something, so I got mad, and I may have yelled at the table and made a lot of banging noises.
Welcome to Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today we're learning simple English for home life, apartments, furniture, problems at home, and neighbors.
You'll learn how to describe your home, talk about furniture, explain problems, and speak nicely with neighbors.
And maybe how to stop my furniture from fighting back.
Well, good luck with that one. You can say, I live in an apartment, or I rent a small house.
I live in a tiny apartment. It's so small I can take a shower and cook breakfast at the same time.
That sounds dangerous.
Yeah, everything tastes like soap.
You can say, the table wobbles, or I need a new sofa.
Or, the table I built has a personality of its own. I don't want to talk about it.
You can also say, where can I buy a lamp? Or, this bed is really comfortable. If these things go wrong, you can say, the toilet is leaking, or the Wi-Fi isn't working.
Last week, my fridge stopped working. All my food became a science experiment.
You can tell the landlord, there's a problem with the shower.
Or, my neighbor's music is too loud. At least tell him to choose a better song.
Be polite with neighbors. Could you turn the music down, please? Or, sorry for the noise.
I tried to be friendly and brought them cookies, but I burned them and accidentally dropped them on the rug.
At least you tried, in your own way. Here are 5 useful phrases from today. I live in an apartment.
A home in a big building.
The toilet is leaking.
Water is coming out.
Turn the music down.
Make the music quieter.
Furniture.
Tables, chairs, sofas, beds.
Landlord.
The person who owns the place you're renting. And remember, if the landlord comes to fix something, try not to break anything else.
He's done that before. Repeat after me. I live in a small apartment.
I live in a small apartment.
The toilet is leaking.
The toilet is leaking. Again.
Could you turn the music down, please?
Could you turn the music down, please?
Great job! It's starting to sound really natural. Today we learned how to talk about home life, apartments, furniture, and problems with neighbors.
Now you can describe your home and talk about fixing issues, politely.
Thanks for watching.
Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next episode of Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Oh, wait. I have an appointment with my landlord that day.
Seriously? What did you break this time?